Hello everyone, take this hair stick and then separate it, tie a ponytail out of the hair and then put the ponytail in the middle of this hair stick. Now wrap it up into a bun and then adjust it accordingly. Add a decorative clip to the side accordingly. Next, start off by tying a ponytail, roll the ponytail in on itself and then cover up the gaps. Let the ponytail down after rolling it in on itself and then, as for the base, add a rubber band to it, roll it upwards and then pin it up in place. Next, we will start off by taking these hair bun rubber bands, tie a ponytail out of the hair and then wrap the hair around this bun. Afterwards, take the excess amount of hair, wrap it up and then tie a rubber band to it. Add a decorative piece on top of it all. Next, we have taken these decorative butterfly clips, tie a low ponytail out of the hair, loosen it, roll the hair in on itself and then cover up the gaps. Add a rubber band to the middle section, lift it up into a bun and then add your decorative clip on the top of this. Next, we will start off by tying a ponytail, slightly loosen it on one of the sides, twist it, then take a multiple prong decorative pin and then push it through the side as such. As for the top, add a rubber band to the edge of it and then using a bobby pin, pin it up in place at the top. Next, tie a ponytail, lift it upwards and then add a rubber band to it. Now add another rubber band to the middle section of the hair, roll it upwards, then add your decorative butterfly clip on top of this to fasten the bun in place. Next, take two sections of the hair from either side, tie it up at the back. After this, tie your clip up at the top of this. Now remove the clip, add a low ponytail, add a rubber band in the middle section, roll this up into a bun above, and then add your clip on top of it. Next, loosen up your hair slightly, and then after tying a ponytail, add a multiple prong clip in the side of it. Now add a section to the top of the hair, and then using a bobby pin, fasten it in its place. Next, we'll start off by taking this multiple prong clip. Now, tie a ponytail out of the hair and then fasten the hair into place as such. Now, add a rubber band to the end of it and then insert it into place using a bobby pin. You may use different decorative clips in order to fasten it. Next, tie a ponytail, roll the ponytail in on itself, make sure that it's a high ponytail. Cover up the gaps that are present. Now, add a rubber band to the middle section, fold it upwards, then add a decorative clip on top of this. Next, we'll start off by taking this hair stick. Rather, it is a bun stick. Tie a ponytail out of the hair and then put the ponytail in the middle of the stick. Now, wrap the ponytail around the stick and then adjust the hair around it accordingly in order to make a bun. Now, use a decorative rubber band around this. Next, tie a ponytail, divide the hair into two parts, twist one over the other as such, and then wrap it up into a bun. Add your decorative clip to it once you are done. Next, we'll start off by taking the top section of the hair, twist it, lift it up, and then pin it up in place. Take another section right underneath it, clip it up into the central section, put the left side up into the right section, and vice versa. As for the top, tie it up all together, use a multiple prong pin in order to fasten it in its place and adjust it. Next, take this hair stick, tie a ponytail, and then wrap the hair around this hair stick. Adjust it and fold it accordingly, adjust the hair around it, add a decorative clip to it. Thank you for watching.